Hey, you guys, and welcome to my channel, Candid with Carla. How are you guys doing on today? I hope all is well out there, you guys. I hope all is well. I thought I'd do a voiceover and just share some things right quick with you. And so I was studying and reading this morning the Proverbs 31 woman. And what kind of stood out to me this time was the first 9 verses of the Proverbs 31 woman. A lot of times we jump right into verse 10, right? But it just was very enlightening to know that the king's mother was teaching him wisdom on how to be a king. You know what I'm saying? She gave him different tools to use to how to get himself together as a king before he even go and search for that virtuous woman, that virtuous wife. So I thought that was very interesting because that's not really nothing that we talk about. We always just talk about the characteristics of a virtuous woman and, you know, all the things and how she should be and everything. But it just was very interesting that she actually took the time to tell him, you know, and teach him things that he needs to know within himself, you know, as a king before he even go looking for what he needed to find inside of a woman. So, you know, I thought that was very powerful, you know. So it's like, in a sense that, you know, we always talk about women reading this book 31, the chapter 31 of the book of Proverbs. But what about the men reading this, right? True enough, they might not, you know, in this day and time might not be kings. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you know, we call our men kings and stuff like that, but that's not what I'm talking about. But the fact of the matter is, if it's a man out there looking for a woman, it's some great gems in the first half of that teaches him how he should be and the things that he needs to make sure that he's doing before he even goes and search for the wife that he's looking for. So I just thought that was so interesting. It stood out to me again because that's not something that we talk about. And, you know, these are things that, you know, needs to be taught and shared as well with these single men that's out here looking for a wife, you know? And so anyway, outside of that, you guys, I just thought that I would come on here and share that because, you know, that was good. You know, we got to share the good stuff, right? But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope I've encouraged someone. Go back and read it for yourself and study. And I will see you guys. Continue to stay tuned and see you guys in the rest of the vlog.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go.
Hey you guys, I just wanted to come out here and give y'all an update on my garden, on me and my husband's garden, our garden. I say my, but it's ours. We got a tomato. We got 2 tomatoes right there. I don't know if you can see them or not. And we got several as well right there. We are getting some peppers. Y'all know I'm scared of these bees, so if y'all hear me screaming and see me running, you know why. Peppers. Now my lettuce look a mess because we've cut off of it, except for this one right here. This one is growing up pretty good. But the rest of them, well, those are coming up pretty good too. But over there, it looks like that because we cut off of them. I told y'all we harvest them, as that's the term, harvest them. So yeah, and still don't see any more bell peppers since the last time I came out here. This lemon balm, my husband has cut some and gave some away. I still have the lemon balm drying out, and I got to do some research on how to actually make the tea. So that's why I haven't done that yet. And this is another bell pepper thingy. I don't see any bell peppers on them yet. That is the, what is this? Oregano? Italian oregano right there. And then we got some zucchini, and we have some cucumbers over here. I don't know what happened to the cucumbers because we cut off like maybe 4 of them, and for whatever, I don't know if it's because the sun, they're in direct sun, but anyway, they ended up being yellow, very yellow, not green. And when I cut them open, I cut one of them open, it was dry and then it just wasn't any good, I don't guess. But I will show you this. I will say that this gardening has been very therapeutic, and I do want to show you the start of our watermelon. Okay, so bear with me because it's some bees. But here's the watermelon. I don't know if we have any more in there or not, but yeah, that's one. So, when you see the leaves has grown out of the box on this last one. So again, that is the update. This gardening is so therapeutic, y'all. I'm going to make this flatbread again to finish using up this cottage cheese because I don't want it to go bad. And I had it for a minute because I've been bought it to do the recipe, flatbread recipe, and I didn't ever do it until recently. Well, y'all saw me do it, but I had the cottage cheese for a minute. So anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead on and make the flatbread again. I'm not gonna show me making it on camera. I'm just gonna make it and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'm hoping that it don't be brown in the middle. I don't know why it was like that the last time, but we're gonna see. And this time I'm gonna I think I'm gonna make a sandwich out of it. Do a flatbread sandwich. And so like tomato, and use some of my lettuce out the garden and stuff like that. So let me make it and I will be back, okay? Okay, y'all, so I don't know. It turned brown again. I have no idea why, but hey, that is a flatbread again. And again, I think what I'm gonna do today is make a sandwich. And yeah. So that is what it looked like. If you have not seen my video on how I made it, go back and check it out. It's the last video that I did before this one. I show you how I make the flatbread. All right. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and I just went on ahead and made the sandwich off camera because I just did. But here, oh, this thing focus good. So here you see I have the flatbread, and I already made my sandwich like I said. I have the boar's head rotisserie chicken. That's the kind of meat I have on here. I have provolone cheese, Sargento's provolone cheese. I have a tomato out of the garden, out of my neighbor's garden. And I also have the lettuce out of our own garden, me and my husband's garden. So I have fresh lettuce and fresh tomatoes out of the garden. And then I have rotisserie chicken and provolone cheese on this flatbread that I just made, okay? So with that being said, let me take a bite and see how it tastes. And this time I put a little bit more seasoning in it this time. I put a little bit more seasoning in it, so. Oh, I got mayo on here too. I'm so sorry. Because it's a sandwich, I put mayo on there. And I'm about to put some mustard because I like mustard too. I always, when I bit into it with something missing, I need some mustard, but I do have mayo on there. But it is good. It's really good, y'all. I hope y'all try this recipe. It makes me feel less guilty of eating bread. You know what I mean? Which I haven't been eating bread like that anyway. I have been eating sourdough bread, but I'm trying to kind of just lay low off the carbs like that, period. So just for a minute. Anyway, you guys, again, today, if I have not mentioned this in the beginning of this vlog, welcome to my channel, Candid with Carla. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And for the ones who have been hanging around with me, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. And for the new ones, thank you for stopping by and watching as well. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead on and end this vlog. I thank you so much again for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you won't miss out on the next video, and yeah, hit the like button, and please comment below and let me know if you're new. And outside of that, you guys, to the next video, you guys be blessed.